In this video, I will show you how to connect your Google Drive account to ChatGPT to streamline your document analysis. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate down to the message bar and click on the plus icon to reveal the attachment menu. From here, I'll select More and then click on Apps so I can find the Google Drive integration. Once I click Connect, a setup window appears, and I'll click Continue to Google Drive to begin the authorization. I'll select my primary Google account and carefully click through the next two screens to give OpenAI the necessary permissions to access my files. After a brief loading moment, a green confirmation banner appears at the top of the screen, letting me know that Google Drive is successfully connected and ready to use. To start using the new connection, I click the plus icon again, go back into More, and select Google Drive to attach the service directly to my current chat. I'm going to paste in a specific prompt asking ChatGPT to search my drive for a freelance contract and provide a clear, simple breakdown of the most important terms. I'll hit enter, and you can see ChatGPT searching my files. Once it finds the right document, it automatically outlines the core services, the payment schedule, and the termination rules in easy-to-read, plain language. Now, I want to take it a step further and check if this contract is actually fair for me. I'll paste in a follow-up prompt asking it to identify any potentially risky or one-sided clauses. It highlights a few concerning points, like an unlimited workload clause and a very demanding response time requirement. It even goes as far as suggesting revised wording that I can use during my negotiations. To finish up this contract review, I'll ask for a concise, professional summary that I can easily forward to an accountant or a legal advisor for a final look. Let's switch gears and look at a different type of document. I'll paste a new prompt to search my drive for a specific meeting minutes file from April 2024. I'm asking it to pull out every action item and present them in a clean to-do list format, while also identifying which task is the most urgent. ChatGPT quickly scans the document and provides a structured list including the tasks, the owners, and the upcoming deadlines. To save even more time in my workflow, I'll paste a prompt to draft a professional follow-up email based entirely on those meeting minutes. It generates a full draft including the major decisions and all the assigned action items, so it's ready to be sent to the team immediately. Finally, I'll ask ChatGPT to identify any logical gaps or follow-up questions that might have been overlooked during the actual meeting. It points out several critical areas, such as success metrics and production capacity, that we definitely need to address in our next sync. This integration is a game changer for staying organized and managing your documents efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.